Mae tymor y Hydref yn gyfnod heriol i'r Diwydiant Rheilffyrdd oherwydd tywydd gwael.
Autumn season represents a huge challenge for the industry in its entirety. The conditions of the season, damp, leaves falling, all contribute to poor rail conditions. When we get these conditions, the train wheels struggle to create contact with the rail. When there's a loss of traction, the wheels get damaged. When they're damaged, that train then needs to be removed from service and causes us issues trying to maintain the timetable throughout the season.
Mae Trafnidiaeth Cymru a Network Rail wedi bod yn cydweithio ac rydym ni mor barod ag y gallwn fod. Rydym wedi gosod system i atal olwynion rhag llithro a sandio awtomatig ar nifer o'n trenau i roi gafael gwell.
Months and months of planning go into this one season. It starts early in this year with a review from last year, and then we build on our plans right through up until the autumn season. Some of the tasks and projects we're looking at things from fitting wheel slip protection. That technology previously hasn't been available. Now it's available. We've procured it and we're fitting it. We've bought additional wheel sets so we can replace wheel sets when the trains come in, and generally just working with industry to better prepare for the season.
Mae staff Network Rail hefyd wedi bod yn gweithio'n ddiwyd mwyn sicrhau bod y rheilffyrdd yn glir o lys-tyfiant.
We've been working in collaboration with Transport for Wales now for 12 months to make sure that we've got a joined-up plan that includes managing vegetation, that includes responding to incidents during the autumn, and also making sure that we've got our teams ready to react to things using technology to make sure that we give passengers the journey that they deserve.
Mae Trafnidiaeth Cymru yn buddsoddi mewn trenau newydd ar gyfer y dyfodol.
Us at Transport for Wales, we're already investing heavily in our existing rolling stock for this coming autumn, but we're also investing over £800 million in brand new purpose-built rolling stock for the future. That will mean over 95% of all services in less than 5 years will be on new trains, and those new trains are being designed with all the most modern, up-to-date technology for wheel slip protection to make things easier and better for our customers during the autumn season.
Mae'r Diwydiant Rheilffyrdd yn gweithio'n galed mwyn darparu'r gwasanaeth gorau posibl i'n cwsmeriaid.